The 238 4K portable monitor packs lifelike visuals into an ultra-portable package, making it perfect for anyone who needs a reliable display on the go. Imagine having access to a 4K UHD screen that's not tied to your desk. This monitor lets you take your productivity and gaming with you wherever you want. Whether you're editing photos, streaming videos, or working remotely, this monitor is the ultimate companion for a flexible workspace. So why settle for a cluttered home office when you can have the freedom to work from anywhere? Let's dive into what makes this monitor truly stand out. First up, we have its stunning 3840 by 2160 4K UHD resolution. Think of it like having 4 times the detail of a standard 1080p screen. This means crisp text, vibrant images, and sharp video that'll transport you right into your content. But what does that really mean in real life? It means you can see every pixel clearly, no matter how bright or dim the lighting is, perfect for photo editing, graphic design, or streaming. Next, we have its 23.8-inch efficiency smart display. This might sound like a big deal, but it's actually a game changer for anyone who needs to maximize their workspace without sacrificing desk space. By providing 18% more visible area than a standard 21.5-inch display, you can fit this monitor seamlessly into compact setups, dual-screen configurations, or hybrid home offices. Just remember to position it at or slightly below eye level for optimal comfort and stability. We don't want any strain on your neck. Moving on, let's talk about color accuracy. The 238 4K portable monitor delivers 100% sRGB true color anywhere, which means every hue is reproduced with precision, making it ideal for photo editing, graphic design, and streaming. But what does that really mean? It means you'll get stunning visuals across all your content, warm colors will pop, brights will shine, and the overall image will feel more alive. But color accuracy isn't just about aesthetics, it's also about functionality. This monitor covers a wide spectrum of tones for accurate, vibrant visuals, even at its standard brightness of 300 candelas per square meter. What does that mean? It means you can work on documents, edit photos, or stream videos without worrying about washed-out colors. The image will remain rich and detailed. Now let's talk about flexibility. One of the standout features of this monitor is its built-in adjustable stand, which lets you find your perfect viewing angle. But that's not all, it also has 100 by 100 mm VESA compatibility, so you can mount it on a wall or arm with ease. If audio matters too, don't worry, dual 8Ω/1W box speakers provide clear sound for movies, meetings, and games. Last but not least, let's talk about performance. With a 60 Hz refresh rate, this monitor ensures smooth, lag-free performance for everyday tasks and casual gaming. But here's the thing, even when you're powering it via USB-C or an external adapter, its brightness remains consistent at 300 candelas per square meter, no matter where you are. So why should you upgrade to this incredible portable monitor? For starters, it offers unparalleled flexibility and mobility, so you can take your productivity and gaming wherever the road takes you. Whether you're a freelancer, remote worker, or serious gamer, this monitor is designed to help you stay on top of your game, no matter where you are. Click the link below to get your hands on the 238 4K portable monitor and experience it for yourself.